Sometimes I'm just out of control. Stop for a minute before you get too deep up in it. 'Cause everything ain't what it seems. It's hard loving.
Okay, I'm gonna go to an Equinox gym and basically see what
turn left onto Ventura Boulevard.
What it could offer a van lifer like me in LA, and see if it's worth it. It could be, it could be like $300 a month. I don't know what it is, but I want to see if I could go to Equinox gyms all over the place and spend a lot of time at them and get more than just a nicer shower than a Planet Fitness shower. I'm curious, so I'm gonna just see what it's like. Because ideally I'd be able to go to
at the next stop sign, turn left.
Any Equinox gym, just like I can go to any Planet Fitness, and it would be awesome if I could basically like use it as a like another home base, essentially. A Panera, Starbucks, a whatever, Planet Fitness. If it could be not a, I mean a replacement, but like if it, I don't know what it has to offer, so we'll see. I'm just gonna ask for a tour.
At the stop sign, turn left onto La Meta Street, then turn left onto Petite Avenue.
As if I'm interested in signing up, because I am. So I've never been in a Equinox before, and I was basically just curious about like memberships and
stuff.
everything.
Okay,
yeah.
cool. I could let you talk to one of my membership advisors. They'll give you all the information you need.
Sure.
Cool. What's your name?
Justin.
Justin. Would you like water as well for the weight?
Sure.
How you doing, man? I'm Chris. Sorry to keep you waiting, man.
Justin,
Nice to meet you. So you ever been here before? No. You want to take a look around, do a tour? All right, let's go. So how did you hear about us?
Just sort of, I don't know.
Just kind of know about it?
Yeah.
Okay, we got it. Okay. And so what do you do for workout now? You working out somewhere else?
Yeah. Mainly I go to Planet Fitness because I travel around a lot, so I just want something that I could go to a lot of it, and but I'm in LA for a while.
Right.
And there's a bunch of Equinoxes around here, so I'm wondering if there's like a way where you can go to all of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you can always pay for something. You can get there, yeah.
Sure.
So it all varies, but why don't we walk around, I'll show you everything, and when we go back downstairs, I'll show you all the different options and see which ones you're interested in. What do you like to do in the gym? What's your thing?
Stairmaster is my main thing.
Okay, you're into those, yeah.
For a woman like me, 'cause I find it hard to trust. I need too much, and I really don't believe in love, no. Do you think that I could be the girl of your dreams? Sometimes I don't let things go, get emotional, and sometimes I'm just out of control. Stop for a minute before you get too deep up in it. 'Cause everything ain't what it seems. It's hard loving a woman like me, before you get hooked on the venom and can't live without it. Can't believe everything you see. It's hard loving a woman like me. Do you think that I could be the one that you see? 'Cause baby, I'm one step ahead, you're two steps behind, but baby, I don't mind. Do you think make you real happy, baby? Just don't get me wrong, my loving is so strong, but I ain't trying to lead you on.
get a Oreo Shamrock McFlurry?
You want an Oreo cake?
The McFlurry?
No, we don't have that.
Oh, you have an Oreo McFlurry? Okay. Yeah, I'll take a medium Shamrock shake. Nope. Okay, so I just signed up for a membership. I have 7 days to get all my money back if I don't like it. Then I have a month to not have to pay anything more than my 1 month. So basically, I'm gonna give it a try for a week and then a month, see how I like it. Basically, come here every day, because the showers, the bathroom, it's so much nicer than Planet Fitness, and honestly, the locations are more convenient, and nicer areas for me to park around. And I'm gonna be paying $332 a month, which gives me access to all of the basically everywhere except for like this one place that he didn't think was worth going to, Century City. So I can go to West LA, which he thinks is like the best one. It's giant, it has all sorts of stuff, and basically that'll be my new home base. Essentially, I'm going to see how the parking works, validating at all the different places. We'll see how long I could leave my car at these places. $332 a month. I'm getting like a $12 discount because I went to the University of Michigan, which has a partnership with them. And I got my initial month waived because I know someone who is a member, or my initiation fee, which was going to be like $400. I got that waived, and I got the person I know $150 for free. So if this can help me live an amazing life in LA, while still being able to live out of the van and not have rent, then basically I am essentially paying $332 a month for my rent in LA. And right now, the Planet Fitness is, you know, it's not enjoyable. The bath, like, I dread it, basically. Going into the shower, how gross it'll be, how bad it'll smell from people pooping right next to me. And so if this can make my life basically amazing, living out of the van, and have no downsides to it, the downsides of van life in LA, then I think the $332 a month is worth it. And I could even cancel my Planet Fitness membership, which would give me back like $23 a month. Bringing it down to close to $300 a month. But and so we'll see. And the big, like, I want to be able to go swim in the pool, I want to play tennis, like, because I have so much less holding me down than most people. I don't have go back to my apartment, drive there every day, you know, all sorts of stuff. I live basically like always on the move and stuff. If I can basically be always doing like these fun activities, and I can work / go to school out of an Equinox, park my car in the parking lot, it could really be like I live an excellent life with no downsides of van life. So we'll see. I signed up. I don't think I'm going to regret. If 1 month goes by and I don't use it, I don't like it, I'm out $300. But really, this whole time in my head, I just keep track of like this, my lifestyle living in a van versus I have an apartment somewhere where I pay $1,000 to $2,000 a month, somewhere along those lines. But I'm stuck in that one place. And at this point, my experience in the van is not like, I don't view it as a negative, basically. So if this can make my life amazing for $300 a month, and I still don't pay rent, that would be great. That's how I'm thinking about it right now, basically.